Hello everyone, welcome to Email United video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to add a simple script movement to your player. It can be any player or sprite, anything that you want your player to move, and today we are going to make the player movement. Let's begin. Alright, as you can see here for my player, I have a capsule here. Just you can get it, go in 3D object and click on capsule, and you will have a capsule there, and name it player if you like. And also on the capsule we're gonna have we already have a capsule collider, and let's add a rigid body to it. A rigid body. Alright, that would do it. And next, let's create a script. Let's go in the script folder. Let's write script, and let's write player controller. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, it's coming. Alright. Alright, and up here, let's write public float speed. And on the next line, let's write public float move input. Alright, and let's call rigid body RB semicolon. There you go. Alright, and let's go in the Unity. Let's click on player. Let's grab and drop it in the player inspector, and for the speed, let's put. Alright, let's keep this at 1. Alright, let's go back in the script. Alright, let's go in voice start. Let's write RB equal get component rigid body. Alright, let's add those, and then semicolon. Alright, and then let's go down to void update. Let's write move input equal input dot get get axis raw. Come on, raw. Come on, I need it. Okay, raw. What is going on? Raw. Okay, good. Alright, and let's put this here, and then let's write horizontal. Alright, and then let's add a semicolon. And then next, let's put a debug log. Debug that log. And then let's just write move input. Alright, semicolon, just to check in the console if it's working. Alright, and then on the next line, let's write RB dot velocity equal new vector 3. Let's write move input equal speed comma RB dot velocity dot Y and semicolon, and let's go and save this. Alright, and now let's go back in Unity. Alright, and let's check if let's hit play. Oh, I forgot, guys. Let's go on the rigid body. Let's freeze rotation, and let's freeze position and Z. Alright, let's hit alright, let's give it a try again. Oh, hold on. Let's go back in the script to see why is this happening. Okay, I see the mistake there. It's supposed to be time, not equal. Alright, let's hit save. Let's go back on the play. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. So it was a simple mistake. Instead of equal, it should be time. Alright, as you can see, we can like increase the speed to 5. Now let's unplay. Alright, let's put the speed to 5 to make it go faster, the speeding. Alright, that's good enough. That's perfect. That's perfect. Well, congratulations, guys. You just created a movement script for your player, and on the next video I will show you guys how to add a single jumping and also with a double jumping to your player. And thank you for watching my video, and if you enjoyed this video, remember to drop a like and subscribe for more incoming videos. Thank you.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.